Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shashanur Sabrina binti Sofian. Metric number T57489. Okay, today our group choose the problem is heavy metal accumulation in water. So today I would answer the question that been given. Okay, the first question is what is the problem and who caused it? The problem is heavy metal accumulation in water. This leads to the environment ability to foster life be reduced as human, animal and plant health become threatened. Heavy metal problem happen when having a high atomic weight and high density, which is 5 times greater than of the water. Heavy metals are usually present in trace amount in natural water, but many of them are toxic even at a very low concentration. Metals such as arsenic, lead, cadmium, nickel, mercury, chromium, cobalt, zinc and selenium are highly toxic even in a minor quantity. Increasing quantity of heavy metal is in our resource is currently an area of greater concern, especially since a large number of industries are discharging their metal containing effluent into water without any adequate treatment. So we have two processes that lead to heavy metal accumulation, which is natural process and anthropogenic process, but today I want to focus on anthropogenic process. Okay, industry, agriculture, wastewater, mining and metallurgical process and runoff also lead to the release of pollutant to different environmental compartments. Anthropogenic process of heavy metal have been noted to go beyond the natural flux. For some metals naturally emitted in wind blow dust are mostly from industrial area. Some important anthropogenic sources which significantly contribute to the heavy metal contamination in the environment include automobile, insecticide, burning of fossil fuels, human activity. That's all contribute more to environmental pollution due to the everyday manufacturing of goods to meet the demand of the large population. Okay, thank you.
Today I'm going to explain briefly about the microbes' application in solving the heavy metals accumulation in water. So the question that I'm going to answer for today is how microbes can solve the problems, and I'll choose one or two microbes that can used in solving the problems and what are their special features in solving these problems. So basically microbes are used in bioremediation in solving the heavy metals accumulation in water. Because of their abilities and because of their metabolic abilities in order to get rid of the heavy metal. So these bioremediation involved degrading, removing, altering and also immobilizing the heavy metals. It converts the toxic pollutant into less harmful substance. These bioremediations also involves through the enzymatic pathways that is called as biocatalyzed. So there are specific features, as we mentioned before, is metabolic characteristic, which is used in the conversions of the heavy metals. And these all metabolic reactions are mediated by the enzymes, and the microbe use the heavy metal substance as their mechanisms and cell divisions, inhibition of the enzyme activities, and there are several types of microbes that are used in bioremediation in solving these problems. So two examples of microbes that are used in bioremediation is Pseudomonas species and also the Bacillus species. So that's all from me, I guess. I answered all the questions correctly. So thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Shafiani binti Abdul Hakim D574X5. So today I'm gonna talk about how is the application of the microbes works in a bioremediation. The microbes simply eat up the contaminations and convert them and then let off carbon dioxide and water. The process uses naturally occurring bacteria, fungi, or plants to degrade substances that are hazardous to human health or the environment. If water do not have enough of the right microbes, they can be added in a process called bioaugmentation. Bioremediation technology includes phytoremediation and also rhizo-remediation. For bioremediation to be effective, the right temperature, nutrients, and food also must be present. Proper condition allows the right microbes to grow and multiply and eat more contaminants. If conditions are not right, microbes grow up slow and die, and contaminants are not cleaned up. Recent studies demonstrated that the mycorrhizal fungi can enhance the accumulation and uptake of heavy metals. Glomus mosaic, Glomus geosporum, and Glomus etuncatum are mycorrhizal fungi present in Plantago lanceolata. For the cost of the bioremediation, typically costs for enhanced bioremediation range from $30 to $100 per cubic meters. For the duration, it may take a few months or even several years for microbes to clean up a site depending on several factors.